Are you currently wondering how you can make money online? Something that is really easy, doesn't take a long time to do, and some of it is even automated by using some free apps? Well, put that laptop down for a second and listen up. You can use your laptop, you can use your desktop, you might even be able to use a cell phone. And the cool thing about it is that I know there's a lot of things going on with Bitcoin and things look really up and up, but sometimes it can be confusing for people. And most of all, you want something that is free and easy to use. With the whole idea of going on that wonderful vacation you've always dreamed of, wouldn't it be great that you can have enough money to go wherever you want, however you want, spend as much money as you want, and have that freedom? Just take a few seconds here and think about your goals in life. What do you need to do to accomplish going on these European vacations? Or maybe even going to that wonderful place that you've always wanted to go, and that is called the beach. How about a nice beach vacation on an island in Saint somewhere? Would you agree if you said yes to all of those questions I asked? Then strap in and learn how you can make money online now.
But before we begin, please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you can get notified when I put up a new video. And would you also please click that like button down below? I would appreciate it. So now let's jump into the video.
Okay, here is the site in question. Now, I know you guys don't like taking surveys. I don't. I think it's dry, it's boring, and quite frankly, it's a time waster because a lot of times you're not making a whole lot of money doing it. But I found this site, and they have different ways that you can earn besides taking surveys. And it's called Vindale.com. It's a company called Vindale Research, and their tagline is "Get paid to take surveys." But they have other ways that you can earn. You can get paid with PayPal, so I'm sure this is worldwide. So basically, you could take paid surveys, which is all right. I mean, you could get $10, you could get $14, you get $2, but will it pay the rent for the month? Probably not. But hey, a way to make some extra income. I believe in having extra streams of income, so when one dries up, you still got others. And then you can redeem your earnings with PayPal. So I know PayPal isn't used in several countries, but it is for the most part worldwide, except for a few. And if you want some payment proofs, we could show you the proofs right here. It says recently paid members, and I'm clicking on that. And here we go. So it's paid more than $7.9 million. All right, so that's pretty cool. You could take surveys about cars and trucks, politics, sports, home improvement, etc., etc. But you know what? There's another way you can make money, and this is why I say, guys, do not skip ahead in these videos because you might miss something. Click on ways to earn, and you get an ad here. You can also get $5 for every person that you refer. Now, I'm not a member of this, and it's just because I want you to take advantage of this. I'm not here trying to be spammy and put my links all over the place. That's not what I do. I'm here just to provide you some information. You can earn cash for every email that you open. You can earn just for reading paid email. So you need to opt into the reward mail in the email preferences. So that's pretty cool. You can also do videos. You can watch paid videos and give feedback. Now, I don't know about you, but I can do this. So you just hit play and you can get paid to press play. And you can have those videos going in the background while you're doing something else and make money. That's a pretty cool way of making money online. And you could do it now. You can make money now doing this. So that's pretty cool. So if you have any questions, please refer your questions to Vindale Research. I'm not a member of this. I'm just passing on some good information for you so you can make some extra money online. And how you sign up? Well, you just click the sign up button over here. And it'll take you to this page. And sign up to become a new member, put all your information in, and hit continue and go and make money online. See you in the next video.